Here in front of me Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and I'll show you how to enable or disable Google Fit on this device. So as can you see, in my case the Google Fit is activated, and just if you want to turn it off, you should hold for a while your device screen and swipe here to the left side. And just to turn off the Google Discover or Samsung Free, if you got set it the Samsung Free, you should click here once on the switcher to turn it off. And now as can you see, when I swipe with my finger to the right side, the Google Fit is turned off. And if you want to turn it on again, you can go by the same way here, or just click here on the right down corner to the settings icon, and just to here near the Google Discover switcher, click once on the switcher to turn it on. And now as can you see, we just activated successfully our Google Discover on Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.